guys, welcome back to my channel. RC is back again with another glam. Today I will be doing a full face makeup glam for you guys on this look right over here. I just recently watched a Patrick Starr makeup look where his assistant did a wonderful job creating a 90s smoky eye on him, and I was so much in love and impressed with that. Along with that, I've been wanting to use, I've been wanting to use, actually this right here is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow, and the shade I have here is SCS 10 Gold. It actually was in my July month of BoxyCharm and I have not gotten a chance to use it, and I wanted to go ahead and truly use it, and I guess today was the day, and I'm super excited the way this look turned out. I hope you guys are pumped up as well. Without further ado, let's get right on to the video. Alright you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start moisturizing my face. For that, I'll be taking Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Primer. Absolutely love the way not only it feels, but it smells as well. It smells actually like roses, if any of you are wondering. I will be prepping my skin today with Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that mainly towards my T-zone. That's where my mainly problem areas are, and we're going to go ahead and cover those and blur them out. I always like to conceal, and for today I'm going to go and switch it out with Laura Geller. This is their Baked Radiance Cream Concealer in shade medium, which actually has a hint of peachiness to it, which is perfect to hide my flaws. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with a beauty blender. For the foundation today, I'll be taking Catrice Cosmetics. This is their HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, which lasts up to 24 hours, you guys. It is mattifying and second skin effect. The shade I'm using today is Nude Beige, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with the Beauty Blender. And trust me, I'm very well aware this shade is a little too light for my skin tone, but when it comes to the bronzing as well as cream contouring, we're going to go ahead and fix that. And now that's coming up, so we're going to go ahead and take Wet n Wild Mega Glow Cream Contour Stick, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it generously and start blending that into the foundation for some much needed warmth. Not that I need any highlight today, as my foundation is very light, but I still want a little bit brightening under my eyes, especially towards the inner corners. I'm going to go ahead and take Tarte Cosmetics. This is their Shape Tape Contour Concealer in shade Light Medium Honey. I haven't reached for it in way too long, is why I'm reaching for it today, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it out using my Beauty Blender. To set it all in place, I'll be taking Hourglass. This is their translucent setting powder, and I absolutely love this. It really gives you a very light coverage, but yet makes you look like or feel like that you've got full coverage going on without even feeling the cakiness. I would highly recommend this product, and it is a little bit on the expensive side, but hey, this is one of those bougie stuff that you gotta have it in your collection. I'll be setting the rest of the face with Marc Jacobs. This is their Perfection powder in shade 300 Beige, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that on a big fluffy brush, and very lightly I'm gonna go ahead and set my rest of the face. This process will make me feel like a little bit more on the dewy side than the matte, and I'm gonna go and try out this tone correcting by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is in shade Shimmer. This is their tone correcting powder. It's a little bit on the lighter side, that's why I went very lightly with it, just to make sure. I will be taking Ace Beauté. This is their bronzing contour palette, but I really use it for bronzing because it doesn't have those cool tones for my skin tone. I'm going to go ahead and take that onto a Sigma Big O Fluffy Bronzing Brush. For the contour, I'll be taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Beat Up Contour Kit, and I'm going to go ahead and take the cool tone shades to contour exactly where I want the depth, and then I will be taking the lighter shade powders to brighten up. For the blushes, you guys, I'll be going old school. This is Too Faced Love Flush collection of blushes in shade Baby Love, as well as I Will Always Love You. I'll be mixing both of these blushes together to apply them. Aren't you guys ready or not? So today we'll be taking Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar. You guys, let's go ahead and pull it out. I know you have it in your collection. I'm going to start out with the shade called Butter Pecan, one of my favorite shade. I'm going to go and highlight my brow bone using a flat definer shading brush by Morphe Brushes. For the transition shade, you guys, I'm going to reach for the peanut butter that I'm actually hitting pan on. I'm going to go and take that onto a fluffy Morphe brush into my crease as my first transition shade. For a much needed contour and depth for my eyes, I'll be taking the shade called Truffled, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that right into my crease where I want the depth the most. I'm going to go ahead and pack it to my like and slowly blend it out into my first transition shade. For our main lid color, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and try this brand out for the first time. This is Studio Makeup. This is their Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Absolutely breathtaking, you guys. The shade I have here is SCS 10 Gold. And I'm going to go ahead and just go cold turkey and pack it right on top of my lid. And I'm going to go ahead and pack it in like maybe in 2 to 3 layers. Once the first layer is dry, I'm going to go ahead and pack it to my like. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the outer edges using my finger. For my lower lash line, I'll be taking the shade called Peanut Butter again onto a smaller blending brush by Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that to my like. Once I have reached to a point where I'm very satisfied with the way it looks, I'm going to go ahead and take the next shade called Cocoa Chili, only because it has glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that very close to my lash line. Once all blended, I will be taking a black pencil. The one I'm taking is by Maybelline New York Lasting Drama. This is their waterproof gel pencil in Sleek Onyx. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it as my liner. I'm going to tight line and I'll also be putting that into my waterline today. To clean the edges, I'll be using a Sigma Beauty big eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. You can take any brush you're comfortable with. You can also take an angled eyeliner brush for this step. I'm just going to go ahead and blend the edges. I will now be taking the butter pecan again onto a smaller brush to pack it into my inner corner for a much needed highlight. I will now be taking this same glitter shadow again, and I'm going to take that onto an angled brush just so I can help it and control where I want to pack that towards my inner corner onto my bottom lash line. Apply your falsies. For the lips, I'll be taking NYX Cosmetics. This is their brown shade lip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that very nicely. I always like to draw my upper lip a little bit extra, and then I'm going to go ahead and go for the Makeup Revolution. This is their Cashmere lipstick. To set my face, I'll be taking Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. Absolutely love this stuff. It really made my face glow all day. For the highlight, taking Japanese. This is their Champagne Collection highlighter, but you can definitely find it shade Rose Gold. Alright you guys, so this right here is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Arcee and I absolutely am obsessed with makeup. You are too, is why you're here. Definitely hit the subscribe button so we can be friends and get to know each other. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know how you enjoyed today's look. Other than that, stay happy, be blessed, and I love you guys. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.